In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create views in Zendesk, a comprehensive customer service solution that streamlines your support process. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which you should find conveniently placed on the home page. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. You'll need your registered email and password for this step, so make sure you have them handy. After entering your credentials, click Sign In again to access your Zendesk dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to setting up your view. Start by heading over to the admin section. You'll find this in the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the admin center, which acts as the control panel for all your settings and preferences in Zendesk. Once you're in the admin center, look for the workspaces section. Click on it and you'll then see an option labeled Views. Selecting this option will take you to the page where you can manage all existing views or create a new one. Since our goal today is to create a new view, locate the Add View button and click it. Now it's time to get creative. Start by typing a name for your new view. Choose something that's clear and indicative of the function or dataset it will display, ensuring that it's easy to identify at a glance. You also have the option to add a description. This step isn't mandatory, but it's a great place to note specific details about what the view is intended to show or how it should be used. This can be particularly helpful if you're collaborating with a team. The next step is to determine who has access to this view. Zendesk provides flexibility here, allowing you to specify whether the view should be visible to all agents, a select group, or just yourself. This is handy for managing permissions and ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible as needed. After setting access permissions, move on to defining the conditions that will dictate what data is displayed in your view. You can filter by properties such as ticket status, priority, or any custom fields you may have set up. This allows you to tailor the view to your specific needs, providing you with the most relevant data. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the setup page, and click it. And there you have it, your new view is now accessible in Zendesk. Creating views in Zendesk is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance how you manage tickets and data. Thanks for following along and happy organizing.